Namaste, welcome to Gita'sKitchen. Today we'll see how to make a traditional Amla pickle. We are using the whole fresh green amlas, Amla AvakayaPickle. For making this pickle, I have taken about half kg of these amlas or Indian gooseberry. I have taken medium sized ones, not too small, not very big. Wash it thoroughly, then wipe it with a clean cloth. It should be totally dry. Next, see, along these partitions, just make cuts. Lovely juicy amlas. So, easy to make cuts like this. We have made cuts along the lines on all the amlas. Now, keep this aside. This is 1.5 teaspoons of mustard seeds or regular black mustard seeds I have taken. Just dry roast it. When it is well roasted, take it into your dry grinder jar. Dry roast half a teaspoon of Methi seeds in the same kadai over a low flame till they change color. This is also done. Put it in the same jar. When it cools down a little bit, we will make it into a powder. Here I have half a cup of til or sesame oil, out of which I am just taking a small portion. Heat the oil in the kadai and gently add these amlas into it. Fry the amlas in the oil till they become a little bit soft. From time to time, just keep turning it over. Then when it becomes slightly soft, see if we poke it with a knife or fork, it should be easily able to go through. When it becomes slightly soft, we can remove it from the oil. Remove it like this. In a bowl, take half a cup of chilli powder, 1/3 cup of salt, about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Our ground mustard and methi powder is also ready. Add that too. Now mix all these dry spices well together along with the salt. Now add the remaining oil to the same kadai. Add some mustard seeds. I have taken here 4 dry red chillies broken into half. Allow the mustard to splatter well and switch off the gas. Now I am adding another half teaspoon of hing powder. Hing gives a very good flavor to the pickle. Remove it from the stove and allow the oil to come down to room temperature. The oil has cooled well. Now we will add our spice mix to this amlas which we have roasted in oil. Pour the oil on top. Give everything a good mix. Finally, I will squeeze out the juice of these 2 lemons onto the pickle. Mix it well together once again. Some people add tamarind also, but I am not adding tamarind, only the juice of the lemon. to balance the taste of the amla. Always see that your glass bowl, spoon, everything is dry. Moisture is the greatest enemy of any pickle, so everything should be dry. Now I'll just cover it with a lid. We'll keep it aside for 3 days. Now every day just give it a mix and again keep it covered. On 3rd day it will be ready and you can transfer it into a clean dry glass jar. At that time, if you feel you need a little bit more salt or lemon juice or anything, you can add at that time. But now, don't disturb it, just leave it aside for 3 days. 3 days now, let's have a look at our pickle. Wow, it is soaked well and the oil also has come out. Can you see that? Now, we'll transfer it into a clean dry glass jar. See, our pickle is done and ready now. As with all pickles, use a clean dry glass jar. Whenever you want, take out only the required quantity of pickle in a separate bowl and use. And see, there it is, at least half an inch a layer of oil on top of the pickle. Then the shelf life will be really extended. Before you store it in the jar, taste the pickle. If it needs little more salt, you can add, or if you want to add more lemon juice, you can add, and then you can store it in your glass jar. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting recipe video from Gita's Kitchen.